Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build this lovely tulip for Valentine's Day, since that's the next holiday coming up, because Christmas and New Year's has already passed. So now let's take it apart so I can get right to building it. Alright, so I've gone and taken everything apart, and everything is sorted, so let's get counting. So first, we have one green 2x4, two lime green 1x2s, two 2x2 inverted slope pieces, four 1x2 inverted slope pieces, four of these 1x2 slope pieces, two of these red 2x2s, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these 1x1s, and then four of these 2x2 that are lime green. So now let's get building. So first, stack up two of these 2x2s. Then let's put a 1x2 and an inverted slope right here. And then let's build a 2x2 right here. And then a 2x2 slope plus a 1x2. And then we put our last 2x2 that's lime green. And now we can start with the fun bit. So get all these inverted slope pieces, put them around in this shape, like this. And then get two of your 2x2s, put them in the middle, like this. And then get two of your 1x1s on and put them on each side, like this. And it's complete. Now we need our regular slope pieces, and we'll put them around in the circle again, like this, and that's our flower. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!